In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the report for invoice statements. From the Home menu, find Reports, and then find Invoice Statements, which I have favorited, so it appears here at the top, but it will also appear under Invoices. This will show you all the open or past due invoices, but it doesn't show closed invoices. You can select the date if you want to see the invoices from a certain day, but you can't select a range of dates. We can select a customer, then click Run Report. And this shows us all the customers' open and past due invoices. We can also change what columns are visible if we want to hide or show some of these columns and change the order they're in. So maybe we don't want to see the customer PO or see these addresses, but we want to see the age and the balance. And we can also change the order if we want to. Then hit Configure Now. Now you can see the table looks like this without those other columns. We can export this view to a CSV or a PDF, or we can look at an aging summary PDF. This will show you the customer's invoices, how old they are, their total and balance. And it will also show you the totals over a period of time.